How to set screen color back to normal on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue on your Android phone where the screen color is gray or it's just a little off or inverted, something like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the settings on our Android phone. You can do that by swiping up, scrolling down, and then finding and selecting settings. Once in the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select accessibility. And then under accessibility, select color and motion. Under color and motion, most likely what the problem is color correction. Where as you can see, if I have that turned on, it's going to make everything on my Android phone black and white. So if I turn that off, it'll bring back the color. Once you turn that off, it should be back to normal. But if it's not, go back. And if you have any of these other ones turned on, maybe color inversion, go ahead in there and make sure that that's turned off. Because as you can see, that kind of makes everything look a little bit weird with the color. So just make sure that those two settings are turned off, and that should fix and make your color back to normal on an Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.